Hey signers, welcome to Learn How to Sign. In today's video, you are going to learn how to sign 0 through a billion.
Wow.
That's a lot.
But don't worry, this video won't be a billion minutes long.
Whew.
Speaking of all things numbers, we want to say thank you. It has been several months since we hit 100,000 subscribers, and now, because of you, we are zooming past 150,000 subscribers. We have officially moved into our new home and set up our studio in our game room. We can't wait to see what the future holds. Now, let's learn how to sign 0 through a billion. Zero. Zero. We're making the shape of a zero. 0. 1. 1. It's just the number 1. 1. 2. 2. It's just the number 2. 2. 3. 3. It's not like our typical number 3, because that is number 6. 3. 4. 4. It's the number 4. You just flip it backwards whenever it's by itself. 4. 5. 5. It's the number 5, just flipped back. 5. 6. 6. Now, remember, whenever you're counting up, you're going from the smallest finger up to the biggest finger. 6. 7. 7. Your ring finger and your thumb are touching each other. 7. 8. 8. Your middle finger is touching your thumb. 8. 9. 9. You're using your index finger and your thumb to touch each other. 9. 10. 10. Your thumb is up and you're moving it back and forth. 10. 11. 11. It's just the index finger flicking 1, 1. 11. 12. 12. It's the flicking of the 2. 12. 13. 13. It's the number 3 squeezed together, moving in towards yourself. 13. 14. 14. You've got your 4 fingers together and pulling them in towards yourself. 14. 15. 15. It's the number 5 moving in towards yourself. 15. 16. 16. There are also other ways to sign it. 16 or 16. 16. 17. 17. You can also sign 17 or 17. 17. 18. 18. It can also be signed 18 or 18. 18. 19. 19. It's the number 9 shaking back and forth. 19. 20. 20. It's your 2 fingers put together. 2 to a 0. 20. 21. 21. The way I remember this is like a 21 gun salute. 21. 22. 22. You're doing the number 2, 2 and bouncing it. 22. 23. 23. It's like the number 20 and 3 being put together. 23. 24. 24. It's like the number 20 and 4 put together. 24. 25. 25. You've got 2 fingers and then 5 together for 25. 26. 26. 20 and 6 put together. 26. 27. 27. It's 2 fingers and the 7 together. 27. 28. 28. 20 and 8 together. 28. 29. 29. is the sign for 20 and 9 put together. 29. 30. 30. It's the number 3 and 0 put together. 30. 31. 31. The number 3 and 1 together. 31. 40. 40. 40. 40. 70. 70. 7 to 0. 70. 90. 90. The number 9 to 0. 90. 100. 100. You do the number 1 to a C, or you can bend it just like this for 100. 100. 1,000. 1,000. You have the number 1 coming down to the middle of your hand for 1,000. 1,000. 1 million. 1 million. You do the number 1 and then bounce it twice on your hand for million. 1 million. 1 billion. 1 billion. It's the number 1 to B-I-L-L. 1 billion. So how do you combine these numbers? Well, think about how we say numbers. For example, 32,500. You would sign 32,500. You just sign it how you say it. Now, what if we did 452,275,500? Well, you would sign it 452,275,500. As you can see, you just take the number and you break it down how you would say it. 50,000. 50,000. You do 50, 50, down to 1,000. 50,000. 530,000. It's 5 into a C-shaped hand, then making a 30 and coming down to 1,000. 530,000. 33 million. 33, the 3 bouncing, and million going twice. 33 million. 250 million. 250 million goes twice. 250 million. Now, let's put these numbers into sentences. We have 155,000 subscribers. As you can see, we're a little excited about this. Subscribers have 155,000. It took 322 days to build our house. Our house built since 322 days. The population of Texas is 29,500,000. Texas population 29,500,000. Awesome job! If you want to dive deeper into numbers, go check out our series dedicated to all things numbers. You can check it out right here. Also, be sure to like and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.